Hi, my name is Tsenten Yeshi Jamling. I'm the VP of Research and Development at HeraBioLabs. And today I want to talk about this one project I've been involved in the last 4 years or so, creating a double knockout immunodeficient rat model for oncology studies in drug development, pharmacokinetics. So we have created a double knockout rat comparable to the NSG mice, and we've been working with the model to characterize it, how it performs in accepting human cells in the xenograft studies area, in the patient-derived xenografts area. And the results that I've seen over the last few years have far exceeded our expectations. I'm really excited about how well it has performed. We went in starting this project with some objectives in mind, with clear advantages the rat would have over the mouse models. But the performance has just blown away our mind. Across the board, tumor types, xenograph-wise, the engraftment rate has been much better than the NSG across the board. Breast cancer, prostate cancer, kidney cancer, any other type, ovarian that we have tried, engraftment rate has been far superior, not just the engraftment rate, but the growth profile. It's a much homogeneous growth in the rat compared to the mouse models. It's a much faster growth, leading to faster enrollment into studies, a larger cohort of animals being enrolled in a shorter window time period. So we couldn't have been happier with the way it has performed. And significantly, because all the tumor types that we have attacked and targeted for work have been xenograft lines that have been tough to work with in the NSG mouse. Either the engraftment rate is too low or the growth profile is too heterogeneous to get to a study. Those made sense for us to try because it's an unmet need in the marketplace. The mouse models are not a viable host for these. And these, just like I said, have performed exceptionally. Higher engraftment rates, better growth profile across the board. So we are really excited about the work we are doing, but we are also, to step back and look at it from a higher level, really excited about the prospect it presents us, right? In terms of better data quality leading to translatability and greater success in the clinic. Because right now for drug development programs, all the toxicology work, safety work, pharmacokinetics work are performed in the rat model, whereas the efficacy study is performed in the mouse models. So you're doing studies in two different species and compiling data together to to present your story. And no surprise there, down the road, a majority of your candidates fail in clinical trials. So I think we have the OncoRat here has a promise to generate better data quality, hopefully leading to better success in the clinic, where all of your studies for a particular drug development pipeline are done in the same species. And not just in the same species. I would take it a step further and say different types of studies can be done in the same cohort of animals, because because the blood volume is so much greater in the rat compared to the mouse. We have 10 times the volume of blood. Serial sampling of blood can be done in the same cohort of animals over time. Whereas if you're doing that study in the mouse, at each collection time point being a terminal blood draw, it is a different mouse you're sampling, and then putting together data from many different mouse together on a 14-day timeline to present your story, whereas in the rat now, this could be all from the same animal. So again, leading to much better data quality and translating into greater clinical success. Along those same lines, since the rat can accommodate about 10 times larger volume of tumors than the mouse can, in terms of patient-derived xenograft establishment, we can get to a master working bank in a single passage. In the primary P0 passage, you can generate enough tumor materials to establish a master bank of PDX, and then take it one passage further at P1, have your working PDX bank established. Whereas in the mouse, that would be at least 5 or 6 passages down the road. So again, in cost, labor, in time, most importantly, in data quality again. Because at P1, if you're working with passages P1 across the board, there's much less drift from the patient material. It's only been through 2 passages to getting your data, whereas in the mouse, it has been passaged for several generations in the mouse. So yeah, I couldn't be more excited. The OncoRat holds great promise in improving our preclinical data sets, making it much more powerful and increasing our chances of success in the clinic.